What are those? Shoes? Maddie, where's your pants? Where's your pants? Where's your pants? Where's your pants? Laces? Lace? Do you know why we're here?
Daddy.
No, not for a doggy. We're here because you're getting your last Synagis shot ever. Are you excited? Not for the shot, but for the fact that it's your last one. And you're all caught up on immunizations, so you don't have to have shots till you're 4. Can you say 4? Can you say, yee doggy? Woohoo! Yeah, that's a celebration.